Meaning of electric storm.
Electric storm.
Electric storm.
Electric storm.
Electric storm. An electric storm, also known as a thunderstorm, is a type of weather phenomenon characterized by lightning, thunder, and strong winds. It occurs when there are significant atmospheric disturbances, such as changes in temperature, moisture, and wind patterns. As the storm progresses, it can cause a range of effects, including power outages, property damage, and even injuries or fatalities. In addition, lightning strikes can cause fires or damage to electronic equipment. Overall, electric storms can be both awe-inspiring and dangerous, making it important to take precautions during such events.